Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. Today it's me, Arissa, and Elmo Poo. He gets very annoyed if you pick him up like that. Ew, that smells like cat food. Anyway, today I'm going to be playing with Ice Putty from Claire's Accessories, it says at the top. But, so yeah, I haven't opened it yet, so let's see what it feels like. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. It has like snowflakes in it. Right, okay. That feels strange. Oh, it's sticky. What is that? Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie, it's amazing. I've had it for like 3 days now, and I forgot all about it till today when my friend was talking about slime. And then I decided to open it because, well, first I remembered that I had it, and then I decided to open it. But it's, look how nice that is. It's so bright as well. Not very good at making bubble sounds. It's so nice. Like, oh my gosh. Look what it did. That's so weird. It keeps doing it. I'm not gonna lie, this is the weirdest thing I've ever played with. I'm gonna like spread it out on the Christmas placemat. See what it does. So I'm gonna get a bit, any bit, because it'll probably work better then. What are you looking at, cat? That didn't do anything. It's not really working. But this is like probably the best slime I've ever played with. Before I forget, comment down below, subscribe, and press the notification button, and also hit the like button. Let's give you a subscribe challenge, shall we? Press the subscribe button with your toe. If you can't do that, just press it normally. Or you could either press it with your nose. Make it tricky. But yeah, this is probably a really nice putty. It feels so nice. Oh, as you can tell, I got my hair cut short. Very strange for me, but so anyway, thanks for watching this week's video. Comment down below, subscribe, like, hit the notification button like I've already said, and bye!